Today, we're creating a circular rotating text animation, a smooth looping spin that works great for intros and aesthetic visuals. Let's get started. First, open your project in CapCut. From the bottom toolbar, tap Text, then tap Add Text. Type in your title or phrase. This effect looks amazing with circular designs or minimal text. Next, go to the Font tab and choose a style that fits your edit. Clean or bold fonts usually rotate very smoothly and stay readable. Now, tap the Animation tab, switch to the Loop tab, and scroll until you find Rotate. Tap it, and your text will begin spinning continuously in a circular motion. Below the preview, adjust the duration slider. Slide left for a fast, energetic rotation. Slide right for a slow, elegant spin. Choose the speed that fits your project's style. And that's it. You've created a clean and smooth, circular rotating text animation in CapCut Mobile. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more detailed CapCut Mobile tutorials.